Japanese families have been making this weeknight staple forever. See those burdock root strips transform from pale to golden, while sweet mirin caramelizes everything to perfection. That's my umami-packed Kinpira Gobo. For a printable version of this recipe, visit my website, just Google Kinpira Gobo space dashi to find me. First things first, wash the gobo under clean running water to get rid of any soil. If you can't find fresh burdock, don't worry. Parsnips work surprisingly well and have a similar earthy sweetness. Lotus root is another great option, but it will be a bit crunchier. Some of you can even try savory root or Jerusalem artichokes. After that, all we want is a light scrape with the back of your knife or a metal scrubber, because that peel contains compounds that give burdock root its signature aroma. If you peel using a peeler, you'll lose a lot of that flavor before you even start cooking. Next, we're going to cut this into thin matchsticks. I like to cut diagonally first, making them as thin as possible, then slice them into matchsticks. So what exactly is Kinpira Gobo? Well, it's named after a legendary warrior from old Japanese puppet theatre, Sakata no Kinpira, and just like that tough guy, this dish packs a punch with its robust texture and spicy kick. Originally created as a preserved food, which explains those concentrated seasonings, it keeps beautifully for days, making it perfect for meal prep. As you cut the burdock, place it in a bowl of cold water, give it a gentle swish and let it hang out there while you prepare the other ingredients. I use this time to julienne half a carrot, a similar size to the gobo. I also have a dried red chili that I've cut into thin slices, but you can use more or less depending on how spicy you want it. Next, grab a small bowl. Let's make our umami bomb by stirring together half tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of sake, half teaspoon of chicken bouillon powder, and 1/8 teaspoon of dashi granules. You can use plant-based bouillon or kombu dashi granules instead if you want to make it vegetarian. Now we wake up those aromatics. Heat your pan over medium-high heat and swirl in some neutral oil. Toss in the chilies and seeds for extra heat. If you prefer a milder version, feel free to leave the seeds out. While it's heating, drain your burdock thoroughly. When it starts sizzling and you catch the fruity spice aroma, add the burdock and carrot and sprinkle with a bit of salt. Cook for about 3 minutes, stirring continuously. After 3 minutes, pour in the sauce mixture and cook until the liquid has almost evaporated. Now comes 1 tablespoon of sugar and 1 tablespoon of mirin for the glossy coating. Adding sugar before the final soy sauce lets it coat those vegetable surfaces, building flavor layers without making everything bitter. Finally, splashing another 1.5 tablespoons of soy sauce. Count to 15 seconds, then kill the heat. Sprinkle toasted sesame seeds over everything and swirl in toasted sesame oil. Then spread this on a tray and let it cool for at least half an hour. As it chills, those vegetables actually contract and soak up all the seasoning. You can enjoy this cold or quickly reheat it before serving. It's a perfect crunchy and flavorful side for a Japanese meal or bento box. Want even more delicious recipes? Grab my free cookbook from the link in the description. Okay, let's go over the ingredients one more time. And if you're ready to cook, grab the written instructions by clicking the full recipe box with a picture that's about to pop up on your screen. Here we go, the link to the full recipe is on the screen for you now, and if you want to watch more similar videos, don't miss my side dish playlist popping up on your screen as well. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye.